those are actual tornado. And part 1 and in part 2. But now this is part 3. Oh, see, those are sirens, and I think that's actually siren. That's what I mean, some.
No.
You know, this. But yeah.
Just video the sky for a second.
Like, the door's opening. It's haunted, guys. The door's opening. Either that or it's just the wind. That's the tornado going. Where's the tornado? I want to see it.
It's not right where we're at.
When is it going to come, like, on our road?
Well, then we'd be getting blown away and deadified, so. No, you don't want to see one.
Yes, I do.
Alright, stop your video.